The blades on the Sai series are crafted from special Cromova 18 Sanso material, comprising 3 layers of stainless steel, sandwiched between 2 layers of softer SUS 410 stainless steel with a 58 to 59 Rockwell hardness. The hand-polished blade holds a razor-sharp edge, longer and resists rust, stains, and corrosion. A new hammered finish is applied to the sides of the blade that creates air pockets, resulting in a better release of food being cut, giving the blade non-stick properties. The handle design is entirely new and incorporates an ergonomic thumb rest to ease the cutting motion. The hollow handle is filled with sand to achieve the perfect weight and balance, and features 7 signature black dots which reflect the 7 samurai codes of honor. The blade is 8.5 inches long, the handle is 5.5 inches long, and the overall length is 14.25 inches long. The blade height is 44 millimeters at the heel, and its spine thickness at the heel is 2.3 millimeters. The Sai 8-inch chef knife weighs in at 242 grams. Global Sai Knives follow in the same tradition as classic Global Knives, handcrafted in Japan using artisanal techniques with modern technology in the tradition of the samurai sword. Manufactured in Japan since 1985, Global has remained unchanged as a true statement to its quality and unique construction. Global promises durability, quality, and timeless design that captures the spirit of Global's philosophy and insistence on excellence. Global knives are truly unique, made in Japan with a lifetime warranty.